know what that means? That means we're going on a trip.
Alright, time to get the bike up. Well, this is unfortunate. Got caught in the rain. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Bike is ready. Got Dana with me on his Tiger. Gonna head up the S.C.A.R. And this purple line is the southeast alternate. We're gonna take that since neither of us have done it yet. We're gonna camp somewhere over here, and then take this blue line, which is the connector, camp again over here, and then we'll either come down the regular portion of the S.C.A.R. back into Francis Marion, and we'll take the northeast alternate. We'll see. Let's go. Well, we're off to a great start. My RPM's working, but I obviously did not hook up my speed sensor properly. So that's fun. Check me out. I got speed. Turns out that my sensor was just a little too high from the magnet, and so I was not picking up my speed. But now, we got speed, we got distance. Our beautiful Trail Tech Vapor Moto Dash combo is working. Look how good that looks. Beautiful. We're in good shape, ladies and gentlemen. Officially on the southeast alternate. And the first bit of dirt for today is a bunch of fucking sand. Alright, you ready?
No.
Let's go. Welcome to the southeast alternate. It's always fun getting started in the sand. Once you're going, it's not bad. Alright, we're cruising now. Now we're cruising. Oh boy. It's sandy. Real sandy. There we go. That's a little better. Had to pull up into the wildflowers. Seemed like a cool picture opportunity. Now we gotta get out of the wildflowers. Of course, I had to go back there in the rough area. You going pee-pee? Oh boy, look what we come across. Well, that looks dark and murky. What do you say? We test it or we just wing it? I guess we're winging it. Ah, it's shallow. Oh, it's not shallow. Do I stick to the right where he went, or do I go to the middle? Oh, man down. Oh, this is soft. Look how much I sank in there. Okay.
Tell me you got that.
Oh yeah. When I put my kickstand down, it's so soft. That's probably so soft down there. I'm watching you and I'm like, do I just go in the middle?
I would go kind of
On the other side? I was thinking just top up on here and go, but I feel like I can't bail on you. If you get wet, I get wet, right? I can get down in here and help. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, she's heavy. All right, you got her upright?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm sitting in a rut.
Yeah. This is fun. You gonna just walk her out? Well, thanks for going through it to let me know it sucks, so I can go around and stay dry. Yeah, I'm gonna come right through here and keep myself dry. Or go through, but like I said, seems stupid when all I gotta do is this. How was that puddle, buddy? All right, well, let that be a lesson to everybody. Let your buddy go first. Onward we go. Still nice and dry. Bridge Battlefield. Checking out the Rivers Bridge Battlefield. Look at that. It's the Broxton Bridge. Guess that's where they get the dual sport event from. Let's go see if we can't find the famous Rivers Bridge.
I'm assuming there's a bridge right here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, well, I don't see a bridge. But there's some pylons. Pilings, and some cypress stones. Took a nice little break, checked out the battlefield, went down to the water, walked around a little bit. Pretty nice. Back on the route. We're gonna keep on trucking. To South Carolina. Time has come for gas. All gassed up. Should have about another 50 miles or so of gas. So far we've gone 115 miles. Probably still have 30 to 40 miles left. Southeast alternate is really fun so far. Good mix of pavement and dirt. Right now it's super dry, so everything is extremely dusty and sandy. Parts of it actually remind me of the northeast alternate. Holy shit! We both almost got shit on. Did you get shit on? Oh, that was great. I just turned the camera on too. Oh boy, that scared the shit out of me. I gotta check my pants. Yikes. You just doing it? Alright. He just likes getting his boots wet. I guess we're just doing it. Oh! Went for a swim. A very wet, cold swim. So cold and wet. Come on. Oh. It's mushy and deep. Should have followed Dana. I said I should have followed you. Oh, come on. Well, that was fun.
0 for 2 with mud ball.
I know. Well, as long as she starts, we'll be good. If only Alex were here, he would have been so proud. Come on, buddy. Fuck. The battery and the airbox are right here. There's still dust, dry as a bone. I went right in the fucking middle like a dipshit. Fucking A. Dude. I should have just went all the way left. I would have been fine. Victory. 20 minutes later, she starts. Hung out, had a snack. She purrs again. I'm almost dry already, except for my boots. They're still sloshing, but onward we go. That is the end of the southeast alternate. It was fun. Started out dry, dusty, sandy, ended up wet, but we survived it. Hitting the gas station, jumping on the S.C.A.R, the regular S.C.A.R route, and I think our destination is Lake Wateree campground for tonight, which is in Edgefield, South Carolina. We will be back here tomorrow. That is where the connector starts, but we are splitting off this way and heading to Lake Wateree for the night, and then we'll come back and we'll hit the connector tomorrow. If you're on this part of the S.C.A.R up by Edgefield, I strongly suggest you take the alternate, because this is a beautiful road.
absolute blast of a road, man. That is fun. What a road. It is the Yarborough alternate, and I suggest that if you're in that area, definitely ride it. I am very excited tomorrow because we're heading back to the connector and hit that road again. So that was an absolute blast. Gobble, 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 gobble! Turkey! Gobble, 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 gobble! Whee! Well, my feet are already wet, so that doesn't matter. Lake Fork Lake. The gate is open. All right. That's pretty badass. That's what I need. Throw the bike on the back of that. That thing's sweet. Perfect, right by the shitters. We did it. Home for the night. We did it. Solid day of riding. Got the hammock setups. Mine over here. Mine is over there. Right by the lake. What you got going on in there?
We are having
Gourmet
ramen with some
Wait, what kind of ramen?
beef ramen.
Beef ramen.
With some light tuna with a little bit of honey mustard.
It's like
in there.
surf and turf.
It's surf and turf.
Yeah, it's fancy. What am I doing here? I'm gonna do some herb and butter rice with some chicken. Good flavor in there. Cocktail of the evening. We got some whiskey and some sweet tea. Don't knock it till you try it.
I'm gonna try some.
You want some? It's good. Over there before it boils over. Stop what you're doing. Stop it. Stop it. Please stop. Thank you. It's terrifying.
If only our kids listened that way.
Right. Please stop. Cheers. Worked pretty good. Herb butter rice with some chicken. Yeah, that's pretty damn good. Not mad at it. Boner apple queef.
Boner apple queef.
Socks are slightly less soaked. And the insoles for the boots. S.C.A.R whiskey while we let everything dry. Morning. It's cold. Our boots are soaked.
Very soaked.
But we're here. Pretty much packed up. Got some coffee going.
Boots are wetter than a single mom on Tinder.
Jesus.
We're back at it. We're back on the Yarborough alternate road. Zip through this road, head back to the gas station we stopped at yesterday, re-up on some water, gas up, and then from the gas station we are pretty much right at the connector. So I'm gonna hop on the connector towards Lake Wateree area and see what today brings. Right now it's seeming okay, but we're supposed to get this intense storm, and we are going to be dumped on with rain later this afternoon. Fanciest gas station pump I have ever seen in my life. Wow, look at that. Officially started the connector. It started to drizzle, but no serious rain. We just looked at the weather, and looks like we're just ahead of the rain, so hopefully we can keep ahead of it, but we'll see what happens. So it's been raining pretty good for at least an hour and a half, and not raining super heavy, but I am still dry from what I can tell. So the Andes V3 Dry Star suit is waterproof. We'll see if it starts raining a bit harder what it's like, but so far so good. It's coming down now. I still think I'm dry. My hands are wet. These gloves are soaked. I have a pair of gloves that they're supposed to be waterproof, but I feel like at a certain point they're not, so I'm trying to hold out when I really want dry gloves. But we're about halfway, or more than halfway done with the connector. Not too much left to go. There should be that campground right at the end, so we're gonna check that out. Can't see a thing through this visor. It just keeps fogging up. Just coming through the town of Newberry. It's been downpouring and it's cold. That's adventure riding. Anyway, still doing good. I think my body and legs are mainly dry, but it's kind of hard to tell. Cool little town. How you feeling over there? Nice and wet?
Oh yeah.
Stopped under at this gas station to hide from the rain for a little bit. We're gonna jump and just take pavement. It's about a half an hour to Sumter National Forest, where we're gonna look for a spot to camp. Just call it a nice early day because we are wet. I will say, I think I'm still dry in the core from the suit. It's more just my feet and my hands. So overall not too bad, but if we can get camp set up and chill out, it'll be a lot better. Just got into the forest. We're going to check out this hunt camp and see if it's open. It is seasonal, so it may be closed. If it is, we're just gonna check for a spot to do some dispersed camping and call it a day. The rain has lightened up, that's nice. My feet are wet and cold. My hands are good. And I still think I'm relatively dry, but it would be nice to get into warm clothes. God, this gravel sucks. Tusk D Sports are amazing, but this front on gravel can be a little bit of a pain in the ass. Anyway, almost there. Looks like there's a gate. Well, we found this road, which is not much of a road, and we are gonna see if we can't tuck in back here and camp. Current situation: wet. At least we got set up. Got my hammock here, rain tarp, all my gear. Gonna get ready to cook soon. Got this sweet table, charging. Could be worse. Update: Alpine Stars Andes Dry Star suit works. I was bone dry. My feet were soaked, but other than that, pants, shirt, upper body, everything, bone dry.
And meanwhile, my Revit Dirt Series stuff, which costs 3 times as much money, is not waterproof.
Very wet.
Very wet.
So yeah, solid suit. Very happy. I'm gonna make some food here in a minute, and we're just gonna hang out in the rain.